YouTube channel WebTips. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Today's our topic is how to create a Facebook page. So today I will talk you how to create a Facebook page in this video. So don't wasting your time. We are going to our video. First of all, you log in your page, yeah, or your Facebook account. I have already logged in my Facebook account. Then you will see on your left side pages, this one. Click on here, and then you will see I have already created my one of page named WebTips for my YouTube channel. By the way, must like my Facebook page WebTips, and then on your left page you will see create new page button. Click on here. After click on create a new page, you will see you have two options for preview: desktop preview and mobile size preview. We have prefer our desktop preview. After this, on your left side about page, you firstly you select your page name. I have okay. I select my Facebook page name as SKD tag. After select your page name, go click on category option. In category option, you will be able to select a three category. Because I am create my Facebook page for the purpose of education, so I select our category is to education and educational website. I select two category. You can add up to three category. After choose your category, you will go on description. Guys, you add your description of your page, write about your business, provide or the purpose of the page. In description, the character limit is up to 255. So I will promote this. After writing your description, click on create page button. Click on create page button. After clicking create page button, you will see more option like add profile, add photo, and I am going to add my profile picture. Click on add profile picture button. I am going to add my profile picture. So you will see I add my picture WebTips, and then you click on your cover photo. So you by dragging to fix your cover photo and then click on save button. Guys, you will see I am create my Facebook page. You will see, and after creating your page, then click on this option create username. So this is already used. This user is not available. Please re-enter a username that is not already taken. okay, then click on create username. You are all set. The username WebTip 0 has been created for SKU test. Then click on done button. And after select your or create your username, click on add button for your visitor. You will see lots of button. I am going to select send a message button. Create a a button has been added to your page. After create, then I am going to view as a visitor. So you can guys, I will create my Facebook page. This is my description, and this is username, and this is a button for send message. So if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and must with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.